Hello Android developers, my name is Mohsen, and in this video I want to talk about a library that you may find more useful for your project logs than Timber. Before we start, please subscribe to this channel and hit the bell button so you get notified whenever there is a new video. I used to work on a project in which logging was a necessity to debug different workflows. In every faulty situation, we needed to refer to the inputs and outputs of different modules to understand which one is not working properly in that specific situation. We had Jake Wharton's Timber with some fancy debug trees to improve the output and used to disable them in production. But to be more exact, Timber does not disable the log generation. It only does not show them. To avoid log generation, you have to check the condition before generating every log. It means if, for instance, you convert an object to a prettified JSON string using JSON library, the serialization happens and uses the device processor power and battery, but doesn't show up in Logcat. Recently, I learned about the Square Logcat open source library and wondered it is exactly what I needed for that specific project. The Square Logcat uses an inline string producing lambda. It supports a string interpolation without any performance cost when logging is disabled. To put it into simple words, the log string, in my case prettified JSON string, won't be generated if the logging was disabled. It means the production app performance would be affected in a positive way. It also includes an extension function for exceptions to extract logs, so you don't need to memorize in which order the exception parameter should go. I will put the link to the library's GitHub repo in the video description for you to find how to integrate it into your project. Hopefully you found this library useful, and please share in the comments if you want me to introduce more useful open source libraries. As usual, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. See you soon in the next video. Bye bye.